In this video, it is shown how open warehouse tasks and warehouse orders are confirmed in SAP EWM. After they have been created, warehouse tasks and warehouse orders initially have the status open and wait for the physical execution in the warehouse. Only through confirmation does the system confirm that the goods have actually been moved from the source storage bin to the destination storage bin. From a technical perspective, confirmation is always carried out at warehouse task level, since the warehouse order only acts as a header object that bundles one or more warehouse tasks. First, transaction/scwm/toconf is called. To do this, the transaction code is entered in the command field and confirmed with enter. After starting the transaction, the selection screen opens, where the warehouse tasks to be confirmed can be searched for and called up for processing. In the first step, the created product-related warehouse task is confirmed. For this purpose, the appropriate search area for warehouse tasks is used in the selection screen. If the warehouse task number is known, it can be entered directly in the corresponding field. For a more targeted search, the advanced search is opened. Here, different search areas are available, including warehouse order data, warehouse task data, warehouse task filters, and the selection of the data source. After entering the search criteria, the selection is started using the Execute button. The system reads the matching open warehouse tasks and displays them in the result overview. The required warehouse task is then selected and opened. In the detail view, the relevant movement data is displayed. This includes, among other things, the product, the quantity to be moved, the source storage type, the source storage bin, and the destination storage bin. At this point, it is checked whether the displayed values match the movement that was actually carried out in the warehouse. If the goods were moved as planned, the Confirm plus Save button is selected to confirm the warehouse task. This confirms the movement and saves it directly. The system processes the warehouse task and posts the stock from the original source storage bin to the specified destination storage bin. After successful processing, a green status message appears at the bottom of the SAP window. The product-related goods movement is now completed in the system. In the next step, the confirmation of the warehouse task belonging to a handling unit-related warehouse order is shown. The transaction/scwm/toconf is also used for this process. Since a warehouse order can consist of one or more warehouse tasks, the system-side confirmation is carried out through the warehouse tasks contained in the warehouse order. In this case, the warehouse order itself is not confirmed directly. Instead, the warehouse task included in the warehouse order is confirmed. The only difference compared to the previous step is that the movement refers to an entire handling unit rather than to an individual product. In the selection screen, the previously created warehouse order is now searched for. To do this, the warehouse order number that was displayed during the creation of the handling unit is entered. After entering the warehouse order number, the search is started using Execute. The system now displays the related warehouse tasks that are part of this warehouse order. The corresponding line is selected and opened. In the detail view, it is visible that the movement does not refer to an individual product, but to a complete handling unit. This means that the entire logistical unit, including its contents, was moved from the previous storage bin to the new destination storage bin. Before confirmation, it is checked once again whether the displayed destination storage bin is correct. If the data matches the physical movement, the confirmation is executed. The system now confirms the related warehouse task of the warehouse order and posts the handling unit to the new destination storage bin. As soon as all warehouse tasks within a warehouse order have been confirmed, the warehouse order is also considered completed. The successful confirmation is again confirmed by a green status message at the bottom of the SAP window. With this, the confirmation of a product-related warehouse task and of a handling unit-related warehouse order has been successfully completed.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your ADVIST Academy.